In this video, we will go over an example of break-even analysis. Suppose we are given that a firm earns revenue of R dollars. Firm earns revenue of X dollars, not R dollars. For every dollar of revenue it earns, it has to spend a variable cost which is 75% of the dollar. So if it has earned X dollars, it must spend 0.75x as the variable cost. We are also given that the firm has a fixed cost of $1,000. With this information, we need to find out what's the break-even level of revenue, which means we want to find out the revenue X dollars such that it is exactly equal to the total cost. So I will write down the total cost to be the sum of variable cost and fixed cost, which is 0.75x variable cost, $1,000 fixed cost, and for the break even I need the revenue. I will write it as total revenue X dollars must be equal to the total cost 0.75x plus 1,000. I want to write it as total cost. So now I have one equation, the one in the middle, and I have one unknown, so we should be able to solve. So we need to solve this equation, the above equation for X. So I will rewrite it. I have X on the left hand side, 0.75x plus 1,000 to be right hand side. The way we typically solve is I will keep all the variables on the left and all the constants on the right. So on the left I have X, which is variable. On the right I have both a variable term 0.75x and a constant 1,000. So I need to move this 0.75x from right to the left. The way we do this is by subtracting my 0.75x from both sides of the equation. What we get is 0.25x on the left hand side. The 0.75x cancels out, only 1,000 remains on the right hand side, and then I will divide both sides by 0.25, which gives me X on the left, and 1,000 over 0.25 is $4,000. So the break-even revenue turns out to be $4,000. So if the firm earns $4,000, it is able to recover its cost. If it earns more than $4,000, it is not only recovering the cost, making some surplus, or in other words, profit. And if it is earning less than $4,000, it's running into loss. We can also solve this exercise graphically, and for that I will draw a graph with revenue on the horizontal axis. So X is on the horizontal axis, and then we have the total cost on the vertical axis. Again, both are in dollars. So the total cost has the vertical intercept to be 1,000 and the slope is 0.75. So I will draw a straight line with slope of 0.75, vertical intercept 1000. And in order to find the break-even point, I will draw a helping line, which is a straight line with 45-degree slope passing through the origin. This is called helping line. The break-even point is at the point of intersection of these two lines. So this is the total cost, where the total cost and the helping line intersect each other, which is shown here. This value, if you have drawn it to scale, you will be able to see you get the break-even revenue. At this revenue, the total cost and the revenue are equal. And this is a good point to stop.